In this Python Django tutorial, we will learn about URL redirection. Let's create an example. I will remove all list members except the home function. I am also deleting the functions in the views file. I will run the application. I navigate to the project folder. The home function is called for the empty URL. Instead of an empty value, let's use home. Currently, there is no function to handle the empty URL. The web server returned an error. I will make a request to home. The home function was called. I am adding a member for welcome to the list. I add the welcome function to the views file. I will display a welcome message. Don't forget to save the code files after making changes. When a request is made to welcome, the welcome function is called. Now let's create an example for redirection. When developing a website, you may want one URL to redirect to another. In such cases, we use Django's redirection feature. I am importing the redirect library. Instead of returning an HTTP response, I will return the redirect function. The home function will redirect to welcome when called. I will quickly edit the welcome message. When a request is made to welcome, the welcome function is called. This is the expected behavior. But what happens if we make a request to home? Let's try it immediately. A request to home called welcome function. This means we successfully implemented URL redirection. There is no function to handle an empty request. Therefore, the request resulted in an error. When a request is made to home, it again calls the welcome function. There is another function similar to redirect for the same purpose. We can achieve the same example using the HttpResponseRedirect function. I will replace redirect with HttpResponseRedirect. Let's test all the conditions again. Empty routing results in an error. A request to home calls the welcome function. A request to welcome also calls the welcome function. I recommend watching my other Django tutorials.